OnePlus Nord confirmed to arrive with a secondary 105 degrees ultra-wide selfie camera. Redmi Note 9 set to launch in India on July 20th, Xiaomi reveals. Vivo TWS Neo True Wireless earbuds to launch in India soon, company teases. Amazfit Bip S Lite smartwatch launching in India soon, Flipkart teaser suggests. Google announces a new $10 billion digitization fund to help accelerate India's digital economy, in support of Prime Minister Modi's Digital India plan. iQOO unveils 120 watts fast charging technology, new phone expected in August. Oppo to showcase its 125 watts fast charging technology on July 15th. Xiaomi Mi A3's latest update accidentally breaks dual SIM functionality. PUBG Mobile introduces new anti-cheat measure to crack down on cheaters. Asus Zenfone 7, Zenfone 7 Pro with flip camera may debut soon. Xiaomi Mi True Wireless Earphones 2 Basic set to launch on July 15th. Google Chrome upgrade promises big battery life boost for MacBooks. iPhone batteries are draining very quickly, Apple Music blamed. Realme 121 watts fast charging technology teased to launch soon. Realme C11 with MediaTek Helio G35 SoC, 5000 mAh battery launched in India for 7,499 rupees. Realme 10,000 mAh 30 watt start charge power bank launched in India for 1,999 rupees. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel Tech Daddy.